So here's the problem. You got your garage door opener, but it doesn't have a battery backup. When the power goes out, you gotta go through the house. Well, I'm gonna show you how to fix that with a little Bevis Technology. So the first thing you wanna do is you wanna look in on the cover and you wanna check the amperage, because you wanna make sure that you get the proper battery backup for the amperage that the garage door opener is going to pull. So the next thing you're going to want to do is pick yourself up a piece of beefy wood, line you up a couple of screws here for the slots, okay. And then on your steel here, your mounting bracket here, you want to cut a little piece out of here, and you want to cut a little notch out of your wood. You want a couple of really nice pan head screws. Now, these puppies are really heavy. Down there. Make sure that's on there really good. Grab your battery backup, slip it on the screws, lock it in there, and then the power went out. But you're still good to go. Fixed with a little Bevis Technology.